Creating holiday-themed campaigns with Mailchimp is a great way to engage with your audience during peak seasons like Christmas or New Year's. Today, I'll show you exactly how to craft those campaigns step by step, ensuring they stand out and drive results. Stick around till the end because there's an exclusive bonus for you that can help you get started for free. First, let's talk about the basics. Start by setting up your Mailchimp account if you haven't already. The good news is, Mailchimp offers a completely free plan that you can start using right away. Check the first link in the description for access to that, plus some bonus perks just for you. Now, let's dive in. To begin creating a holiday-themed campaign, the first thing you'll want to do is choose the right template. Mailchimp has several pre-designed templates tailored for holidays, like Christmas, Thanksgiving, and New Year's. These templates already include festive images, fonts, and color schemes that you can easily customize. If you're short on time, using these templates can help you get your campaign out there faster, saving you a lot of effort. Next, personalize your email with festive visuals and engaging content. You want your campaign to stand out in crowded inboxes, so incorporate holiday-themed graphics. You can upload your own images or use Mailchimp's built-in image library. Customize the colors to reflect the season: reds, greens, golds for Christmas, or cooler tones for New Year's. The fourth thing to keep in mind is segmentation. Mailchimp lets you create targeted lists based on specific demographics, past purchases, or engagement level. For holiday campaigns, this is especially powerful because you can send personalized offers or holiday greetings to the right people. For example, you could send a special Christmas discount to frequent shoppers or a simple holiday greeting to less engaged subscribers. Another great feature to use is automation. Set up an automated email series so that your subscribers receive timely messages leading up to the holiday. This could be a countdown to Christmas with a special offer each day, or a New Year's resolution reminder with a helpful guide. Automation takes the pressure off, ensuring your campaign runs smoothly while you focus on other things. Next, track your performance. Mailchimp has robust analytics that allows you to see open rates, click rates, and how your audience is engaging with your campaign. Use this data to make adjustments as you go. For example, if you see certain subject lines are getting more opens, try using them in your next holiday campaign. Finally, make sure you test everything before sending your campaign. Use Mailchimp's preview and test tools to ensure your email looks great on all devices, especially since more people are checking their emails on mobile during the holidays. Now remember, throughout this video, you've learned how to create a holiday-themed campaign with Mailchimp. If you want to get started for free with an extended trial, don't forget to click the first link below for exclusive access to that. Happy emailing, and here's to making this holiday season your most successful yet.